What is FBA training on Amazon? FBA training on Amazon refers to educational programs, tutorials, and step-by-step courses that teach sellers how to successfully start and grow their fulfillment by Amazon FBA business. These trainings cover essential topics such as product research, sourcing, listing optimization, inventory management, and advertising. By following proper FBA training, new and experienced sellers can understand how Amazon systems work and learn the best strategies to increase sales and profitability. Through Amazon's official learning resources and expert-led courses, sellers gain the knowledge to operate efficiently and scale faster. Training helps participants understand how to identify winning products, manage costs, and create optimized listings that attract buyers. It also provides insights into how the FBA model works, where Amazon handles storage, packaging, and delivery, allowing sellers to focus on growth and marketing. Professional sellers often enhance their learning by using tools like Helium 10 alongside FBA training. Helium 10 acts as a practical companion, offering real-world data and analytics to apply what's learned in training. From product validation and keyword optimization to profitability tracking, it bridges the gap between learning theory and executing it successfully in the marketplace. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the research, optimization, and analytics tools you need to apply your Amazon FBA training and build a thriving business.